With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know all those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, you sure you can control the demon. Didn't work out.
Going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
And so we'll import Chinese-based CBDC technology. So it's going to be CBDC in a box provided to you by the People's Bank of China.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world really works. And it's definitely time for you to wake up out of that sleep, especially in the times that we're in right now. I told you at the beginning of the year, in the first quarter of 2022, we was going to have an event that was going to bring us down. And then also in the fourth quarter, we would have an event that would bring us down. That's exactly what happened. And now I'm going to tell you, in the first quarter, we're going to have an event that's going to bring us down in 2023. And then also in the fourth quarter of 2023, we're going to have another main event. Now, of course, guys, the markets are still going to be pumping and dumping until they get ready to pull the full rug. But I'll let you know when that's about to happen. Now, also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to get re-educated. And also, much love to those who've donated to the Cash Shop and Patreon. And in my Patreon, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. Also, I give you the New World Order cryptos in the Patreon. Of course, you have to do your own research. But this next bull run is going to be a utility run. So you want to make sure that you have the cryptos that have utility. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.
And right now, we have Bitcoin and crypto slightly moving up, guys. We know we have open interest. And we can see it is flat, but the volume is increasing. Now we see the stock market pulling back slightly. We have Jerome in the house today, and then also we have Biden's State of the Union. So this will be an entertaining day. Now, a lot of people have been messaging me about SingularityNet, and we know it's in my book, Ben.Ggurtsel. And those who have been with me from the beginning know how many videos I've done on Ben and SingularityNet. But guys, this is the last stage of moving us over to the 4th Industrial Revolution. AI, the robots, algorithms, and drones. They have the economy already built. And now in the media, that's all we're hearing about is artificial intelligence, Microsoft and Google. And they just happen to be the leaders. Guys, this is all a plan. I broke it down in my New World Order book a long time ago and told you what was coming. It's very important to spread the videos. It's very important to tell your friends and family. Go buy the book or buy the book for them so therefore they can wake up out of their sleep. Remember, you do not want to be on the wrong side of history. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates as I'm doing this video. They're being pushed down. We have the dollar as I'm doing this video is very strong. And then, of course, guys, we have volume tether USDC, and we have the Fed. Repo still over $2 trillion. And we know the central banks are raising rates and running off the balance sheet. And do not forget the goal to destroy this legacy market so then therefore the fourth industrial revolution can rise. And like I stated, Jerome is in the house today. And Biden's speech is today. And we know that's not by chance. They're going to try to convince the people that the economy is great. But like Jerome states at the beginning of all my videos, that this new economy can be performed with less people. And a lot of people are going to be left behind. And we know with Biden, he's going to tell us how great everything is. And then we know after Biden speaks, what happens? They bring in the Republican and tell you everything that Biden has done wrong. It's all about the Hegelian dialectic. So therefore, they can move the sheep to their agenda. Divide and conquer works every time. It is undefeated. And yes, it is unbelievable. Guys, make sure you're getting the likes on this video. Share it. It is free of charge because we are one crisis away from humanity being moved out of the workforce and inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And guys, we know technology can be used for good or evil. Now we have the Bank of England working on its CBDC project. And I don't care what country you go to, guys, they're all working on this digital transformation, this programmable money. And then we have the BIS working on a monitoring system for stablecoin balance sheet. Now, guys, we have Grayscale at $20.2 billion. And we have the digital currency group is selling holdings and several Grayscale trusts. And guys, we know the big players behind digital currency group. This is all a movie. Sit back, get your popcorn, and let it play out. Now we have Genesis creditors to expect an 80% recovery under proposed restructuring plan. Now getting over into a little crypto news. We have tech giant Dell joins HBAR governing council. Now we have ENS Dell will sell 10,000 Ethereum to cover operational costs over the next 2 years. And guys, don't forget we are definitely in a bear market. That doesn't mean we're not going to have pumps and dumps and then also certain cryptos pump off of news or partnerships. Now we have Digital Bank Revolut launches crypto staking for UK and EEA customers. And we know how important staking is going to be in the long term, but it also is about timing. And speaking of staking, we have Lido gets ready for Ethereum Shanghai hard fork upgrade with his own upgrade of V2. And is going to focus on the staking router and withdrawals. And lastly, guys, we have Binance to temporarily suspend transfers in US dollars beginning February 8th. And guys, we know this is all stemming from Signature Bank. Now, CZ stated that it would not affect their business. But guys, we know this is happening for a reason. And it looks like Binance is going to be starring in the next movie. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The stock channel, guys. Don't forget to go like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Seaver, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.